Welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Linda Ronstadt and we are going and Aaron Neville and we are going to react to the song All My Life.
Thank God you said Aaron Neville. You know, I always wanted to say this ever since I heard Aaron Neville. He sounds just like an Indian singer.
He does.
An Indian singer that I love so much, Anu Malik. He sounds so much like him. He sounds so much like him. I'm a little bit short on names right now. So he sounds like that. What about you?
For me, you know me, and all my life being dedicated to the West, especially, I would like to get some kind of honor.
Yeah, you're teaching dumbhood, right?
Yeah, so I'm
Damehood.
Damehood. Yeah. So I strive every day of my life to get some kind of honor from the West, so that they call me and they treat me the way they do with all those dumb people or whatever. So yeah, for me, I'm happy that he's from wherever he is.
Okay, let's get started. No need of wasting any more time. I love Aaron Neville. And I love Linda Ronstadt too because
they're
singing together.
Yeah, and they're both singing together.
Wow.
Let's get started.
They sound so Indian. How can I not love them?
Am I really here in your arms? It's just like I dreamed it would be. I feel like we're frozen in time, and you're the only one I can see. Hey, I've looked all my life for you. Now you're here. Hey, I spent all my life with you. All my life.
And I never really knew how to love. I just hope somehow I'd see. And I asked for a little help from above. Send that angel down to me. Hey, I've looked all my life for you. Now you're here. Hey, I'll spend all my life with you. All my life. All my life.
Never thought that I could feel love so tender. Never thought I could let those feelings show.
But now my heart is on my sleeve, and this love will never leave. I know.
I've looked all my life for you, and now you're here. Hey, I'll spend all my life with you. All my life. Hey, I've looked all my life for you, and now you're here. Hey, I'll spend all my life with you.
Nice, nice. Although too much emphasis was played on the lines that ended the song, I still loved it because they sounded so Indian. What can I do? I have this great weakness, this titanic weakness. It is my downfall ultimately, and it will be my downfall ultimately, that I love everything to do with India. So they sounded so Indian, even though it was kind of repetitive and too much emphasis on one thing. I love it. And please don't say anything bad about them just because you're loyal to the West and you're looking for Damod.
I don't know who is that other person who will sound like Aaron Neville. Nobody else can sound like him. Though Linda Ronstadt sounded so good, she
I just
opened the
said
song.
he sounds like Anu Malik
He does.
in a weird, twisted sort of a way.
Linda Ronstadt. But the moment he started, that was breathtaking. He is refreshingly good, and his voice. He is also highly underrated. Highly underrated. I don't know why it happens.
Because he's Indian.
Because he's Indian. There is no other reason.
No other reason.
There is no other reason.
Because he sounds Indian, he's underrated.
Underrated.
Just like because I'm Indian rather, you're more Indian, but you love the
I'm
West so
looking for
much.
the loyalty.
Yeah, you're looking for the damhood.
I'm looking for the royalty's loyalty.
Yeah. So because he sounds like an Indian, he's underrated, highly underrated.
Highly underrated.
It's like because I am Indian and I sound Indian and look Indian, I'm also highly underrated.
Wow. You might be wondering why are we talking the way we are talking, just to make it clear, since there is no end to certain things, and thus we have to do what we know the best to do. So this is our way of doing things, like it or not, but there are certain things that have to be put to an end. There is a line that writes just before somebody writes below the videos, before they choose to comment, follow the community guidelines and respect them and this and that, but there is never something that is taken seriously. And I don't understand how is this a platform just so ignorant about certain things, when people are multi-billion organizations and they cannot check certain things. When it happens, it keeps happening and it continues to happen. We are not one of those people who are going to be quiet about it and just
not
take
one
it
to
like a
ignore it
doormat.
also. No.
We are not doormats for anybody. We are Indian and we are very proud. I like Aaron Neville, the way he sounded. I like Linda Ronstadt. I like the song. I enjoyed it. But at the
even if
same
we
time,
didn't like it,
if we did not like it, we would say it.
Because first of all, we are honest human beings. Something that maybe you can learn from. You can learn from us to be at least honest.
So all the racist things and talking about people's bedrooms and talking about people's personal lives and talking about people's personality and the character and everything, just because a song is not good enough for them to like, I don't see any sense in that. And thus we know how to deal with it, like it or not, it's your choice. But I like the song. At the same time, we have to make our message clear, and this is the only way we know how to do it.
And shame on you if you're one of those people who just sits quietly and watches it happening. You know it's wrong, but you still do nothing. This is the reason terror attacks happen in all parts of the world, because other people, they know this is happening, this is going to happen, it's been planned, but they sit quiet, they stay mum. So shame on you guys who stay mum when you know something is seriously wrong and you just keep quiet. Just because we don't like a song or we don't like an artist anymore because of their content, because of their song content is so miserable, it's so sickening.
And the least that we do is we stop reacting to them, so that we are not going to ridicule them, or we are not going to talk about them, we are not going to put them down anymore. So we stop listening to them because it has to end. We don't want to continue the way it goes, and we know what we can take and what we can't take. And if people don't understand that and continues to say we are anti this and we are against this and we are racist and this and that, I think all of the artists that we have been reacting to, they all, as of today, are Indian.
Are Indian, yeah. Obviously, all the songs, including this, everyone has been Indian. Shame on you guys for not noticing that all these artists we have listened to are Indian, right? as per you, everything that we love is
That
from
we love
India.
is India.
So all the artists we've loved in the last 3 years on this platform, bands, groups, choirs, whatever else that we have heard and we have loved or liked even or said something nice about them and their songs, obviously all of them are Indian, and all those few who we didn't like and don't want to listen to again because of how shitty, crappy and sickening
Pathetic.
their music
Disgusting.
is, how disgusting it is and how cheap and low life artists and musicians they are. Oh, obviously we are anti-Indian because we are that way. We don't like them, so we are anti-Indian. I mean anti-whatever. Anti-American, anti-English, anti-New Zealand, anti-Australia.
Everything.
Anti-everything. Anti-German also.
I wonder what kind of music all these people listen to when they make those kind of racist comments, because they are against the artists they are listening to anyway. If they respect them in any way,
No, they are bad for their own country.
they are.
They are bad for their own country. That is how sickening
You
they
think
are.
it can only go one way?
They are miserable dots on humanity.
They are.
Miserable spots, miserable dots on humanity, and literally it's sickening to even sometimes read those comments.
We have been deleting comments for a long time, whichever was racist or way too personal, but I think it's time we are going to leave it online to show people what exactly comes our way, and then you will know what exactly is happening. It may seem very, very exciting and very, very entertaining that it is happening to a person from India, but let me remind you, tomorrow things can turn a massive way, east to west and be west to east or whichever way, and tomorrow when your children may be making certain videos and they are going
I
to
don't
get,
think it's going to take that
but
long.
but I don't think this side of the culture ever will stoop down to something like that.
No, but in different ways it will haunt them. It will come back to haunt them. For just keeping quiet, shamelessly, shamefully, it will come back to haunt you.
It does haunt people. Never mind, this was enjoyable song.